Apple is making a sequel to F1 the movie. Here's why it matters. Apple is officially working on a sequel to F1 the movie, the film that combined Formula One racing with cinematic spectacle and global popularity. But this isn't just about racing or movies. It's about how tech giants are blending content, culture, and brand ecosystems. Today, we'll break down what the sequel means, why Apple is investing in entertainment, and how tech companies are reshaping media. F1 the movie was a global phenomenon: high-speed racing, human stories, and stunning visuals. It wasn't just a motorsport film, it was a lifestyle and tech-infused cultural moment. Apple's involvement was also a signal: tech companies want meaningful media. Tech giants don't just sell devices, they sell ecosystems. Apple has been investing heavily in Apple TV+, exclusive content, global franchises, brand partnerships. A sequel to F1 the movie gives Apple global audience appeal, deeper cultural footprint, new storytelling avenues. This isn't random, it's strategy. The lines between tech and entertainment are blurring. Apple isn't just a phone maker, it's a media company, brand incubator, and lifestyle architect. A successful sequel could boost Apple TV Plus subscriptions, reinforce Apple's cultural relevance, set a new bar for tech-driven entertainment. This could influence how all tech companies think about content. Tech used to mean hardware and software. Now it means stories, brands, and cultural moments. Apple making F1 the movie isn't just fun, it's strategic. For more insights on where tech meets culture, subscribe to this channel.